That's powerful.
With Safari Dental, we wouldn't dream of going anywhere else because he's comfortable.
Very kid-friendly and family-friendly here at Safari Dental, and we're excited.
At this office, I feel really comfortable.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Miami Law Enforcement Center. The Miami Law Enforcement Center has issued the Amber Alert for Amber Smith. Amber is described as a white male, 6 feet 10 inches tall, weighing 120 pounds, brown hair with brown eyes. He was last seen wearing a white tank top with black pants. No vehicle was associated with this suspect. The child in question, Muhammad Smith. He is 11 years of age, 5 feet 2 inches tall, weighing 90 pounds, black hair with brown eyes. He was last seen wearing a Thomas the Tank Engine shirt, with black shorts. If you have any information regarding Muhammad Smith, please dial 911 immediately.
He's pretty much the best dentist I've ever seen.